Oh, honey!
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Gives you 5-1. Congratulations to your top 5 bottom. I don't know why that pachinko made me nervous, guys. I'm shaking. I'm just blabbering something. Jimmy, I don't know. I need some time to calm down, guys. My blood pressure is super high. Anyway, apply skip and rolling, and newcomers, any questions, you can write to me if you have free chat and live support. No crazy time. It's on the way, Mr. BP. All right, players. Spin and stand my best wishes to you all. I got you, BH. Give me some time, man. I'm working on it, guys. There is some power on the wheel to get your favorites. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that, what we got there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's a crazy time, guys. Let's go. Who's the one jinxed it? I think it's Tage. No, BHPB. He's the one called the crazy time players. I love you, man. What a lovely call. All right, guys, welcome to the Crazy Time Wall with Massive. Yes, and here we have a big money wheel. And we have 3 flappers. You have to pick yours. Yeah, time to start, guys, so go for it. We have a green, blue, and yellow, guys. Thank you, Dumai. Really appreciate that. I love you too, Danny. Oh, no, lucky. If it's not this time, next time it's going to be yours. Guys, maximum multi, we have 100. The best to hear still. Good luck, everyone. Let's grab the 100 or double, triple would be nice as well. Oh, baby, look at that. Look at that. We got a double on the yellow color, guys, and 10 on green. And 15X on blue colors. So yellow apply. Those are choosing the yellow color. Stay with me, guys. Yeah. So it's going to be maximum 200. Let's grab it, ladies and gentlemen. One more double. One more triple. Let's see. 20? No, because I don't see 20 there. Going to be something bigger. No way, ladies and gentlemen. It's 100 the double on the yellow color, guys. Let's go. Not a 20, not a 30 fireball. We have a one more yellow, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be 400, guys. Let's grab it, guys. Good luck with that. Now imagine if you get a one more double. Or maybe triple. I never had a triple here. Let's see. No way, ladies and gentlemen. It's 100 a double there. Look at that. Man, it's a 3 double in a row. Yes, man. I feel the same. Guys, I'm super excited. Let's see. I think this might be the mighty one. 8 other match, ladies and gentlemen. Let's grab it, guys. A 400 plus would be nice as well. Let's see what we're going to get. Ay. So what do you guys reckon? Okay, I will take it, guys. That's a 200. Congratulations to all the winners in top 5. Warden. That's a 200 in LOT. 2,135. Go to weekend 6,000.
3x on a crazy time, everybody. Sam, I'm from Latvia, dude. Oh, please. Woo! Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Crazy time with a top slot. Yeah, buddy. Let's go, guys. Let's do it, baby. Welcome, everyone. Now, this is where you can, guys, write in the chat, I love you. This is the time where you just express your greatest emotions towards me, okay? Antonio, Man United? Oh, yes, dude. All right, guys, so all the multis are now tripled. So you know the drill, right? Green, blue, yellow. Green, blue, yellow. Look at that. There's a triple on the wheel. There is a triple on the wheel, everyone. 300X seems to be the highest one. Actually, 600X. Woo! 600X, triple. Come on, guys. Come on, baby. Let's get the greatness. which one gets 300. Oi! 300 on the green. 150 on yellow, 45 on the blue. Yo, green. Guys, I hope you picked the green. Let's go, babe. Congratulations to all of you winners. Nishu, wow against CT. Nishu, I think you're bringing luck. Nishu, I think you're
1,512 winners. Benito, Delia, Cash, Lulu, Luis. Top winners. Enjoy. Betting time is yours. We are moving on. Let's go. 50x crazy time, Shannon, would be absolutely splendid. No bets good luck. 10x coin flip from top slot. Shovan, hello, welcome. How you doing? Molster, if you know, you know, right? Come on, give us a coin flip, ladies and gentlemen. We got a coin flip with a 10x from the top slot. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Let's hope for some great success. Right, blue side, right side, right side, you're gonna be on top. Let's check it out, the multipliers. All right, 4x, red side, 15x, blue side. Let's add a 10x, or 150x, blue side, 40x, red side. Ladies and gentlemen, we need the blue side. Good luck. Let's go! 150x. Ladies and gentlemen, the Baba power is back. 3,002.
Younger than me, guys. But I look always, of course, you know, younger because I'm sure. But look at this, guys. Look at this, honeys. What we were talking about? What we were talking about, darlings. Short people and bam! 20x multiplier. Cash hunt, because yes, darlings, shorties in the house, guys. Shorties in the house. So wait. Oh, honey. 2000X, darlings. All right. Oh, yes, honeys. This is how we roll. This is how those short people roll, guys. 2000x multiplier on the grid. So you already know, one shot for every single one of you guys. One shot, one decision, 2K on the grid, darlings. Yes, 2000x. So let's have a look. Oh, yes, baby. Here we go, honeys. Congratulations. 123 of you got the win. Player, 65,000 euros, guys. 65,000 euros for the top win. Yes. This is what we're talking about. You got it, guys. You got it because you decided to place your bets at that moment on that segment. Congratulations, honeys. Bam. We call it magic.
Yeah! Welcome to everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the crazy times of Rockstar, Rockstar. This year is still alive, and here we go. 5 seconds. Okay, alright, that's okay. We are. Crazy time for the 2X. Yeah, buddy! Crazy time for the 2X top slide. There we go. Come on. Hop it up. There we go. Crazy time. Welcome to the crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. So choose your fat per green one, blue one, or the yellow one. Have a 2X, the top spot. Woo! Let's multiply everything. Yeah, buddy! Make a decision while Bobby's making cardio around the bottom. So good luck for everyone. Final second for your decision. Whew, that was good cardio. So the highest one motorbike we have a 200X. The most important, the living your decision. Good luck for everyone. Weehaw! 50X for the grand, 40X for the yellow. Double trouble for the blue. Sub 400X, the highest one. So good luck for everyone. There we go. $200X blue, 50X green, 40X yellow. Welcome back. So we have 1076 blaze winners with a 200X and a blue flapper. Good, we're gonna take it, why not? 5 seconds. Good crazy time. 5 seconds. Oh yeah, there we go. Crazy time with the 4X. Yeah, buddy! Crazy time with the 4X. Like, yeah, buddy. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. We need to go there. There we go. The king is back. Welcome to the crazy time. Weehaw! So, 4X in the top spot. Ladies and gentlemen, to choose a cutter. Let's multiply everything from the beginning. The 4X on the top spot. Yeehaw! So choose your flapper. Green one, blue one, and a yellow one. While Bobby's making Cody and run the button. 5 seconds for your decision. Like for everyone, are you ready to catch the pole for 400X? Outdoor is ready. I hope you're ready as well. Good luck for everyone. $100X blue, 200X yellow, 80X for the green. Weehaw! Welcome back. So we get a 1,344 players, winners. Like for everyone, there we go. Let's spend about 5 seconds. Show me what you ordered. There we go, there we go, there we go. Go, bastard loose. We'll go, let's make some jingle.
Winners 1, 2 and Bingo Plus are the only 2 players who got 100X. Oh, the big 5X. Really? Well, how much you got, PP? Let's do the spin. With a 4X top slot. Oh, come on. Guys, it's a cash in with a 4X top slot. Wow, that's a top slot back to back to a cash in. This cash in is so special because we got 4X top slot. So now, 4X in the top slot. And now, the highest is... How about 2000X? Oh, wow! 2000X! So we got the highest of today. Okay, it's time for you to choose the multiple multiplier. Choose a target, everyone. Try your level best to get that 2000X. Okay. I'm thinking about this. Wow. Okay. So, how many of you got the 2000X for 12 winners? 10 winners healthy. 2000X for player and Bernalin. Wow, congratulations. About 1,356 winners got to win the cash card. Let's do this again. 300X for BP. Congratulations. So we got the highest bid of today, 2000X. That's true. So we got the highest bid, BP. I'm so happy for it. Tell everyone, multiplier is a multiplier.
With a 5x top slot, and we get number 1. See you on the other side. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our first crazy time of the session. Here we go. Not only is it our first crazy, not only is it a crazy, it also has a 5x top slot on it. Nice. Beautiful multipliers, if we're being honest. Right, decision time now open. You can pick between green, blue, and yellow. So, decision time A is now closed. Max multipliers is 500x. Good luck. $100x on green, 100x on yellow, and a 500x on blue. Congratulations to 2,967 winners that time. We go again now. Betting time now close. This time we have a Pachinko with a 4x top slot. Sarah, please don't call me daddy. Thank you. We got a number 5 now. Congrats to 1,580 winners that time. Bad time, John, Christopher, Bingo Plus.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.